Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello, I am Zahid Mahmood, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Finance Business Partners. Uh, we will continue from where we have left for the Power BI because some of the viewers ask me to explain visuals in details, and they don't want all the visuals all together, which what we have done in our first video. So they want bite-sized chunks. They want every visual need to be discussed so that they will get the complete understanding how to utilize it in Power BI. So first, for this one, today we are working on decomposition tree. It is in the artificial intelligence toolbar. It's a artificial intelligence visuals. You have question answer, key influences, decomposition, and tree and smart narratives. We will discuss all this one by one in our visuals. Okay, so now as we already uploaded our file for consolidated file, which I already informed you about this one. I have data for six countries over here. I have already imported the information in my uh, Power BI file. If some people are, for the people who just joined me, they can go and watch my previous tutorial on Power BI, how to upload the file. Even then, if you find any difficulty, please comment on my video so that I will give you idea, and directly one to one I will send you the share the informations with you so that you can work on your systems as well. So we have already made computations, that measures which we have done before, that revenue, cost of goods sold, everything. My data is here for your, just to give you an idea, only for the people who just came here first time. Okay, this is my computation table. The files are over here. The preview shows around 6,771 rows. Okay, so we go directly here, just for the people to get understand how we started. We always try to use the heading which I have already given over here. And now what I will do, I will give the slicer first so that you people get some understanding again, then if we find any difficulty over here. So this is I have taken my slicer for the years. Okay, if you see, I have taken the hierarchy. This hierarchy is important for me, and I don't want day, month, and even. Okay, I take this one for the time being because I need quarter also. I just copy this one and paste again. Okay, whatever is my visual here, if I select it here, I don't require quarter in this one, so it will remove quarter. And here I don't require year. So it is very powerful that you make a slicer and then you select it accordingly for your requirement. Okay, we will make another slicer. This is the time intelligence function slicer. Now we will go by small normal slicer, what we did in Excel slicers. I take slicers, say that for country. Okay, I have data here in my consolidated file, and I have country. If you see, and I remove this date, so it will give me country. I'm not going for the, you can change the formatting over here, but I'm going faster because people don't want uh, lengthy tutorials. So I'm just doing it faster for you people so that you can get maximum input. Okay, country, I just click it over here. So you just people got an idea that just copy it and then select your visual which is required. I don't want country now here. I need only order priority. So it will give me order priorities. And I think one more visual also if I take, because salesperson, so it would be very good. And I remove this one and I just take salespersons. Okay, this one. If you see on the list of all the salespersons came here. So first thing we have completed. Now we will go into insert and decomposition tree. We can take the visual from here, or also we can take the visuals from here, whichever require. you can take it, no issues over here. Just take it a bigger so that we have enough space for our understanding. We are going one by one for this one. Okay, so this is the decomposition tree. I want to analyze my revenue based on, so this is the analyze tab. I want a revenue here. Okay, you can go for the cost of goods sold, whatever parameter you want, you can take it over there. But for my this working, because this is the revenue analytics, I take it revenue in the analysis. Okay, now explain by. It is saying that how I want to explain this in my this revenue. So I go first by country. Okay, it shows me plus sign. When I click it over here, it gives me that I have the country over here. Okay, this is the country over. Then I want um, region code, order priority, salesperson. You can take anything. That's this is just the idea that how we are working on our data. This is that says order date. Ignore this one. Region code, salesperson over here, and second ship mode if you require it. So I just take click all whatever is required. Explain by everything. So now the control is with me here. I want this is the revenue. I just click it again, and all the things which I have click over here by explain by, it comes here. Doesn't require that it has to be in the same order, that I have to go by a region code. And no, I just select it, and now I can the control over here, that if I want it from by country by revenue, I will click it over here. Then after country, say that for China, I want it by order priority. So then it will open by order priority. Here you see the priority is getting changed when I click it over here. Now I take it, say that by region code, then salesperson, ship mode, and in this container. So I take all the parameters together. So just to give you an idea that this how powerful it is. So the best thing is that I just have to click the country over here, and then it will give me all the relevant informations. First, second thing which is required, I just want, last time we give the card. Here is a multiple raw card also available. So we will give a multiple card over here. Sorry, that one. If we want to change select any visual, we have to go out from the visual, otherwise it will the visual applied on that selection. So I have to go out, click outside of the box, and then click this is my card. I'm just selecting it, just remove the background so that it looks okay to me. I take revenue, okay, gross profit and gross margins, and go here by change the color directly, go by color. Okay, now it's everything looks okay to me. Just we just select it over here. We know that our revenue should be in millions, so we don't have, it should be in currency. We will select this one, whatever is the currency. We will take dollar or pound, euro, whatever. We take euro for, say that, in that case. And we don't, because it's in millions, so don't go for the digits. Again, for the gross margin percentage, I will go by definitely by euro, and by 0. So just to give you an idea that these visuals are here. Now the beauty is that when I click at China, you see all my cards are linked together. Take Germany, Pakistan sales, Australia, India. Okay, if I have Germany, if I want to take it to critical, it will give me how which one is critical cases. There's no critical case in this one, Germany. High priority, medium priority, however, say that in south, which salespersons have the sales this much amount. We go this one. So everything is overlinked. So when you are working on it gives you a holistic picture that where the revenue and how the revenue had been decomposed into the parameters which I have explained by my country, order priority, region code, salesperson. Say that if I want to change this order priority from here, I will remove it from here, and then I can shuffle it. And here, when I click it over here, or it will give me idea that if what I require. Hope that gives you an idea how to make the decomposition tree in Power BI. It will give you proper ideas. If the file is bigger, then you just click it over here, and we can go out from this one, and it will give you on another page. A new page will open, and it is not inbuilt. It is just showing for the visual that what is the exact excel picture over here. So it now we have another thing, order priority, say that in on small boxes. So all the filters we have applied it, say that order priority we had moved from second to last. So it's all up to me. I want to sell the check the sales of Australia here, then Hannah, which is the ship mode. So everything is linked over there. So you can go by country, you can go by region, salesperson, ship mode, container, order priority, whatever you require, we can take it. Once we are finished with this, we go back to our report, because in dashboard you don't require the big reports over there. You just give them an idea that this is the data which you are applying. So this one is done. So first we complete this one. Now we will apply the second visual for the say that map. I go out from here, go to filled map here. There are two maps here. One this map and this one. So first we will click this filled map over here. And the beauty of this that it will automatically find that which data I am going to check. So first thing, I want country, location. So whatever data I have, it all linked over here that it has Australia, China, India, Pakistan. This one is Germany, and this one is Saudi Arabia. So I want my legend, say that my revenue in my legends. Okay, it has already taken. This one that I just click hover it over here, so it will give me the country and the revenue. So if it finds a little bit small to you, just click it over here. It will open a new focus mode, and then we will see that we don't want to apply the latitude and longitude here. Otherwise, if we have the latitude and longitude, we will put it over here. But for the sake of visual seeking, we see that all the information which we have taken is automatically coming over here. So we will go back to our report. Now the magic trick which I want you to know, that I just copy any data, say that this one, India sales data, I click it over here, copy, and make another sales, say that Malaysia. I just take it, Malaysia, sales data, okay. When I go into my, and in Malaysia, I would just want to say that remove some of the raws. See that some of the data I just wanted to delete it over here, just to give that this is a separate file. We just go over here and then at the home tab, just refresh it over here and it will give us another country automatically. You see, Malaysia has came over here. Just I click it over here. In Malaysia, I want to go into the focus mode. And in Malaysia, when we just created and you see that its data has been updated automatically. It has some ship mode, whatever containers it has. Just click it over here and automatically all the decomposition will done. So hope you enjoyed it and these two visuals we have discussed today so that you people get an idea because most of the people are asking about the map and this decomposition tree. So I complete this one. Second, I will discuss uh, other visuals in my next tutorial. So stay tuned and please like, subscribe my channel so that I will prepare new things for you and discuss all these visuals with you in detail. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.